Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I got Audi A4 2015. I'll try to find the fuse. Bit struggle, I couldn't find it. Then after that I found the manual from some other car. Then however I thought I'm going to do the video. It will helpful for you. Basically this is UK model, right hand side driving. Then I'm going to show you this vehicle has a three fuse box locations. First one, driver side, you need a like this screwdriver. There is a slot here, you can fly out. Right, this the three fuses located driver side front. This is the, it's a left side, but this is right side because this manual for left hand side drive car. This is the fuse box diagram. This fuse box located passenger side front. I'll show you the diagram, and after that I'm going to show you physically where it's located. Right, this is the A section and this is the B section. I'm going to install this one. Just line the clips. Right, let's go to the passenger door. This is the passenger side. Same thing you can do. This one, fly out. Right, you can see the fuse locations. And now I am going to the third fuse box. It sit on the boot. Right, you need to take out this box. You can see underneath here. Okay, I'll show you the diagram now. It has a 4 component A, B, C, D. I'm start from the A. Then this is the B, C section, and this is E section. Hopefully you got the answer. Thank you.